Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Etsy shop policies and shipping profiles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Etsy shop policies, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your shop's homepage. Click on Shop Manager located in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click on Policies. Here, you will find options for various policies. If you need to restore a previous policy, look for the Restore option. Select the policy you want to restore from the list provided. Once you've made your selection, click Restore to confirm your choice. Your selected policy will now be active in your shop. To restore shipping profiles, return to the Shop Manager. This time, select Listings from the menu. On the Listings page, locate the Shipping Profiles section. Click on Shipping Profiles at the top of the page. You will see a list of your available shipping profiles. If any profiles have been disabled or removed, look for the Restore option next to them. Select the profile you wish to restore. Click Restore and confirm your choice. After restoring, the shipping profile will again be available for your listings. Be sure to review all policies and profiles for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments before you finish. To complete the process, save your changes in both the policies and shipping profiles sections. Your Etsy shop is now up to date with restored policies and shipping profiles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.